Welcome back to my new device. Today's topic is hotspot setting in Oppo phone. In this video guys, we will talk about how to change hotspot password in Oppo phone. Guys, you want to change your hotspot password in Oppo phone, so you can change easily. In this video guys, we will talk about how to change hotspot password. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. First of all, open your phone setting. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting. Connection and sharing option guys, you can see. Click on personal hotspot. Hotspot setting. Tap here guys, password. And guys, you want to change your password, so you can change. Now guys, we will take 9876764321. And guys, right option, as you can choose any alphabet and number guys, it's your choice. So guys, now we will check. So right now you can see password has changed. So I think friends, we have understood how to change hotspot password in Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like me to subscribe my channel.